In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim Beta Weighting. By the end, you'll know how to view your positions through the lens of a single market benchmark so you can understand your portfolio's overall directional exposure at a glance. Start by opening the Thinkorswim desktop platform. Once it's up, head to the Monitor tab along the top. This is where you review account activity and open positions. In the Monitor tab, scroll to the section called Activity and Positions. You should now see your current positions listed with their usual columns, like quantity, mark, and delta. Next, look just above your position list for a small checkbox labeled Beta Weighting. This is the control that converts each position's delta into a market relative delta. Click the checkbox to turn it on. When you do, you'll see a small input box appear to the right of the checkbox. Type the symbol you want to use as your benchmark, commonly SPX for the S&P 500 index or SPY for the S&P 500 ETF, and press Enter. As soon as you press Enter, your position's deltas will update to reflect beta-weighted values relative to the symbol you chose. In practical terms, you're now seeing how sensitive each position and your portfolio total is to a one-unit move in that benchmark. For example, if you use SPY, the values reflect a $1 move in SPY. If you use SPX, they reflect a 1-point move in the index. Positive numbers indicate your portfolio stands to gain if the benchmark rises. Negative numbers indicate it benefits if the benchmark falls. This view helps you compare very different positions on an apples-to-apples basis. A single stock, an option spread, and an ETF can all be translated into a common measure of market exposure. If most of your holdings tend to move with the broad market, SPX or SPY are convenient choices. If your book is concentrated in a specific sector or style, you can type an alternative benchmark that better represents your risk and press Enter to update instantly. Be sure to look at the totals row for a quick read on your overall directional exposure. Consider how that total beta-weighted delta lines up with your market outlook, time horizon, and risk tolerance. If you prefer, you can switch between SPX and SPY to see the same story in index points versus ETF dollars and choose the view that makes the most sense for you. That's all there is to it. Open Thinkorswim, go to Monitor, find Activity and Positions, turn on Beta Weighting, enter your benchmark symbol, and read the updated deltas. It's a simple change that delivers a clearer, more unified picture of your portfolio's market risk.